Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your AliExpress. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So you click here on settings, so then it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So then you click here on apps and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just search for your AliExpress here. You just click on it here, so then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on force stop, so and you click here on OK, and you go down here, you click here on storage, and you come to the next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do, so just go to your Play Store. So just click on your Play Store here and you search for AliExpress. It's going to show for you like this. Then you will find here updates, so just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.